We've all heard of affirmations, sometimes serious, other times sarcastically. Sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. Today I'm going to talk to you about a tried and true way of getting more of what you want. That's confirmation. So stay tuned for that. You've been there. Something bad happens or something you don't want happens. What is the first inclination? It's to talk about it. It's to commiserate with others. It's to get sympathy. And if you want more of those bad things, keep doing this. However, if you have a set of goals, if there are things you want to do, some ideal you want to be, or something tangible that you want to have, the fastest way to do this is through confirmations. Like affirmations, confirmation is telling yourself something you want. However, affirmations are often created out of scarcity. These affirmations often speak about things that you do not yet have. And subconsciously, you often know that. That's why affirmations don't always work for people. But much like repeating those negative experiences with your friends, confirmation is a way of acknowledging the positive things you receive or experience. Every time we hire another amazing team member, I do the following. It happened again. Another great person found us and wants to work with us. It seems that we have the best people ready to work with us. Sure enough, we get many applications every single week. And frankly, this did not start happening until I focused on confirming the positive and ignoring some of the negative. Confirmation is that way of ensuring you will get more of what it is that you want. Say, for example, you want to continue to get great parking spaces. Well, the next time you go somewhere and you happen to randomly get a great parking space, remind yourself you always get great parking spaces. You pull in the spot and say, see, I did it again, got a great parking space. This confirmation, every time something positive happens, will continue to get more things like that. The next time you give a great speech or run a meeting well, or do something exemplary in your job, acknowledge it. I did it again, gave another great speech. That meeting was one of my best. You might think, okay, well, this is so easy for those things that are not that important. But me, my goal is I'm about money. I want to get more money. Well, there's actually a way to do this as well. Maybe you have a very large financial goal ahead of you. You can't just jump into that. But there is a way to get there via confirmation. If you want money, every time you receive money, acknowledge it. That could be the paycheck that was deposited, a gift from someone, or a shiny quarter you find on your daily walk. You confirm it. Money keeps coming to me like a moth to the flame. Each time it arrives, from whatever area in your life it arrives, confirm it, acknowledge it, and be thankful for it. So often we dwell on the negative while at the same time not give the positive the credit it deserves. Take time many times per day to confirm the great things you do, experience, and receive. Much like actively practicing gratitude in your life, this will inevitably lead to abundance. Now, I make videos like this every week. Sometimes they're on marketing and business. Other times they're on personal development. If you liked what you heard here, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you have different ways that you do things to achieve your goals or accomplish abundance in your life, I'd love to hear that as well. Put it in the comments. Appreciate your time today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.